Today, you can elevate your home buying experience. This home on Elmhurst is equipped with updated floors, cabinets, and appliances. Take a look.
Welcome to your new home in Belmar. This charming residence is perfect for modern living and entertaining. As you step inside, you're greeted by an inviting floor plan that seamlessly connects the living, dining, and kitchen areas. The dining room features a cozy fireplace, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for gatherings. The kitchen is a delight with plenty of beautiful cabinetry with under-counter lighting. Highlights include updated bathrooms, beautiful yard, a covered patio. Plus, the home's convenient location provides easy access to shopping, dining, and entertainment options, as well as major highways for convenient commuting.
I am enthused about this home on Elmhurst. I am encouraging you to be eager to call Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.